Not all opposing strikes are going to be coming overhead. Some will be coming horizontally for your body. For these, you're going to want to use a vertical block to block them. To do a vertical block, you hold the bow vertically, you move it off to the side that you're blocking from, and push it away from your body so that the strike would hit your bow before it hits you. One element of this block is you want to be pushing the bow into place as the other strike would be hitting it. This will create a ricochet effect, knocking the other weapon away from you. This way it requires less strength to do the block, and you're not taking the full force of the strike with your arms. The typical strike this move would be used to block is the baseball swing. Something really horizontal and fast. So you really want to make sure your block looks strong and would look like it would take that kind of attack. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it that thumbs up and check out my channel for other bow staff related content.